Hi, it's Marieta, founder of ImmigrationBiz. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I'm going to talk about step-by-step process how to apply for emergency appointment at the US Embassy. Coming up. Alright, before I dive deeper, I do want to ask you to subscribe, especially if you're new to my channel. Welcome. Hit that bell notification button so you are notified every time I release new content. Check out also my Instagram. Now guys, in my previous video, I did talk about who can apply for emergency appointment, so you definitely want to check it out because that video has a great useful information for you. In this video, I'm going to talk about step-by-step process how you actually apply for the emergency appointment. This was highly requested video, so I hope you're going to find it useful. So step number one is to complete the S-160 form. You already know that every time you're applying for the visa, non-immigrant visa, from the overseas through the US consulate, you are actually applying and using the S-160 form. The next step is to pay the visa application fee. Obviously, the visa application fee differ depending on the visa type, right? So let me just give you overview, how much you need to pay. If you are a B business visa visitor, then the current fee is $160. If you are student, the current fee is $160. If you are E2 investor, the fee is $205 US, and if you are religious worker, the fee is $190, and so on. Basically, this is just an brief overview of what you can expect. Once you pay the fee, you will be able to schedule the online appointment at the earliest date available. Please note that you must schedule appointment before you request expedite date. So guys, just like you normally do, you file the S-160, pay the fee, schedule the appointment. Once you schedule the appointment, you will see on-screen message showing the earliest available appointment date, which will include also expedite appointments. Now, what I'm reading here is basically the US Embassy in Germany, but every single embassy has maybe a different process, so you have to read the instructions, right? But this is in general, it might be similar to your embassy, but if it's not literally the same, don't get mad because every embassy has a slightly different process. So you should be able to see the option to schedule expedite appointment. If you wish to process your request, you can also complete the expedite request form in English or contact the call center to request assistance. Number 4, if the US Embassy or Consulate approves your request, then you will receive a separate email alerting you to schedule your expedite appointment online. So either way, you have to either request the appointment via call or you have to request via specific link, or there is going to be additional form to fill out. Note, the email confirming or denying your request will come from no-reply@ustraveldocs.com. Some email applications have rules which will filter unknown senders into spam or junk mail folder. So if you have not received the email notification, you definitely want to check out the junk or spam email folders. And lastly, you're going to visit the US Embassy. On the day and time for your visa interview, you will need to bring printed copy of the appointment letter and also the confirmation, the S-160, one photograph taken within the last 6 months, and obviously current passport and other supporting documents. So guys, I hope this is helpful. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them below. If you need to book a consultation with me, you can certainly do that. The link is going to be below this video. And also I do have additional supporting programs for you, step-by-step guidance in my ImmigrationBiz Academy. And all my programs right now are discounted, 50% off is applied. So So basically, you definitely want to check it out if you need further assistance. If you email me and you are asking me questions, guys, I do not reply to my emails. My assistant is usually replying. If you want to talk to me, you are welcome to book a consultation. The link is below the video. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Stay tuned for upcoming videos and stay safe and well. See you soon. Bye.